Welcome to MPS Monitor, the best cloud solution for remote printer monitoring and print fleet management. This tutorial is going to help you to set up the networks that DCA connector will scan and the scanning schedule. The MPS Monitor software is self-configured, so it is able to add printers connected to the same network on which it is installed. However, it might be sometimes necessary to check connector scan range and set up different networks. This allows you to collect data from all your printer fleet, even if the printers aren't on the same connector subnet. To set up different scan ranges, please select Customer to be configured, then select Connectors in the bar on the left. You will see the list of connectors installed on this customer. Please click on the one you wish to configure. Once you are on the Connectors page, click on the configuration called Default that has been automatically created by the software. Now, in the box Networks to be monitored, click on Add. Within the field Import Subnet, you have to insert the subnets in which you can find the printers to be monitored. It's possible to insert more than one subnet, but all the subnet must be reachable from the computer in which there is the connector. The IP range to scan must be like the ones listed in the example. Here you can see an example of how to set up properly the connector scan range. In order to remove a network perimeter or a wrong IP, just click on Delete button and then on Add to insert a new one. Back to the configuration, you can add or modify connector scan schedule. To do so, in the box Data Detection Timetable, click on Add. Select the time you want to add and click on Save. In the box Data Detection Timetable, you can see all the times when DCA connector will scan network searching for data to collect. Remember, the PC must be turned on in order to permit the connector to scan the network and work properly. Thank you for watching this MPS Monitor tutorial.